Everything glows in the darkest night. Rivers singing under silver light. Flowers whisper beyond what's said. In golden unity all is fed. Stars and planets become your hands. Presence flows through all lands. Every creature, every sigh burns with the light that won't die. Here in the glow we rise, we stay, bathed in gold that lights our way. All is shining, burning bright, dancing softly in sacred light. Every crack melts in the heart, timeless sun tears it apart. All folds into the still, beauty shining beyond will. In the glow, in the golden sea, no division, just eternity. Silence sings and stillness calls. No rise, no fall, no wall. We float as love, light. We are the flame, without a self, without a name. Bursting open yet standing still. The glow in everything is all that's real. Ever shining, never done. The glow, the source, the only one.